Hello. Good evening, everyone. Happy blessed Saturday night, guys. First of all, gusto ko kayong batiin ng good evening, good morning, or good afternoon saan man sulok ng mundo. And first, I would like to thank to those who support me in my latest videos. Thank you, Sakuniko. Thank you, Sakuniko. Ading Nels TV, thank you, shout out. Hands TV, thank you, Hands TV. Ading Love Travel Music, thank you. TY Best, shout out TY Best. And Emma Hassan Pasha, shout out. And M. Hassan Pasha, thank you. Jen Cute, thank you, Jen Cute. Inday Saudi Vlog, thank you, Inday Saudi Vlog. Zafar Boys, thank you, Zafar Boys. And A Life of 5 by Hina watching. Thank you. We're going to the next video. My latest videos, guys. Thank you, Ading Love Travel Music. And Zafar Voice, again, thank you, Zafar Voice. Mitch Queen Vlog, thank you. And that's it. Those who support me in my latest videos, guys, thank you so much. And Sisikoy Agdiag Vlog at Consi, thank you also, Sisikoy. And the shout out to all of you guys. Eid Mubarak to all brothers, sisters, Muslims who celebrating Eid Mubarak. And today, my weekend, guys, until 1 week. So, first, gusto kong batiin ang aking anak sa Pilipinas, Jardana, ingat ka lagi dyan. Aking kapatid sa Kuwait, City, Juliet and Vlog, ingat sis, Eid Mubarak. And before I will end my live video, I would like to thank to all of you guys, especially to those who always supporting my YouTube channel, and to those who supporting my simple videos. Thank you for watching me, and thank you Siskoy Laren Directo, Siskoy Job Sinaway, Siskoy Nana Honey YTC, Sisikoy Mitch Queen Vlog, Sisikoy Princess Freya, Sisikoy Timbat Cave But Snooty, Sisikoy Susana G, very supporting also, Sisikoy Princess Freya, naulit ka na, Sisikoy Princess Freya, Nelis TV, Ading Nelis TV, shout out to your music, guitar, and ading ko sa Muhing TV, shout out. Hindi na tayo nagkita-kita sa Sikoy Agbiag, I miss you also. Siyempre, Humid's channel, Parikoy, thank you. TY Best, Safar Voice, Sakuniko, thank you, Sakuniko. Mitch Queen Vlog, and Nels TV, ano pa? Sisikoy Beatrice, Beatrice Pin TV, Lady Tulipa Tulip, shout out. Adding Love Travel Music, GLA Channel, shout out, miss ko kayo. Adding Talpa Kicks, thank you. Kabsat Iwala lang Didi, Kamahalan Tuyoyong, and Kabsat and Onyo, all the way from Baguio City, and blessed Baguio, blessed Baguio, blessed day Baguio, blessed Baguio. Nalimutan ko na. And Tall Thinking Way of the Way also, all the way from Saudi Arabia. Kabsat Arturo Blanco, YTV, thank you also. And of course, big thanks to all of you guys. Sana i-play nyo naman ako para anak ko, ang haba pang hahabulin ko guys. Ang hahabulin ko pa 3K WX go. Oh my God, ang haba guys. Sana i-play yun na nyo naman ang playlist ko para mamonetize ulit ako. Maraming salamat guys. Thank you again Rose the Melod. Happy blessed Saturday night everyone. I hope everybody's okay and fine, and always pray to God na sana gabayan tayo lagi ni Lord na ilayo sa anuman kapahamakan at sa mga masasamang elemento. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Rose the Melon Vlog. Today is March 29, 2025. Thank you guys. Rose the Melon Vlog, all the way from United Arab Emirates. And before I end, please don't forget, to those who did not subscribe me yet, please subscribe. Rose the Melon Vlog. Shout out also to all the 30 supporters. Shout out both Street PDP Laban. Thank you.